Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about yen index and yen trades taken using this yen index. Let me show you the chart. But I started from here. Okay. So the first February, I made this chart and it is like a bad pattern. I forgot to, mark all the numbers and all of that. So this is like first pullback is 50%, and then second is at 88%, and it bounced from there. So it's a bad pattern, right? So we had this perfect back pattern here, and then it reacted and went up exactly where I said that is going to go. So now from this to this is another thing. And every step of the way, every lend creates another opportunity or pattern. If you learn, you can catch those patterns. So, for example, this one, I said, okay, bad pattern, your reaction, and this is, if you pull the fib from here to here, there was a level, which is next chart I'll show you here. See, so I pull the fib from here to here, I realize that it is 78%. Now, what happened usually, even if it need to go to the upside, from 78%, it usually, like for example here, right? It went up there, but instead of going all the way straight to this point, it dipped here, then it went up, and then dip, and then so this is how it works all the time. So I said, okay, the straight move to the upside, 78%, and then this is, it calls for a dip towards 38 to 23% line of the same fib. So XAB at 78%, and then supposed to come here at least 38%. So I marked here the 38% to 23%, and this level was there. 69.49 is a weekly high. So I said, it's going to drop here and then go to the upside to 127 level, and it will finish a bearish butterfly, means after that it's supposed to drop, right? So conventional way is that, people teach is there that once the pattern is finished at point D, then you trade. But you see here what I'm doing is that every step of the way, every turn of this pattern, I'm trading, right? So I had a lot of, a long going from here to here, this one here, right? I had several long trades. Then when I was expecting to the downside, so I had some short, and then this is what happened. It came down exactly, I said, the 69.49, and then I made this chart that is going to make a turn to the upside for point D. And if it's going to do that, if it bounces above 69.49, all yen pairs will also go up. I'll show you all the trades from here to here. Forget about the previous legs. So this chart from here to here, what happened to this chart is this. On the 9th, it was here. And then as of 16, when we closed last week, Friday, this one happened. So 127 is already hit. We drop. And instead of coming down from 127, you see this D point could be anywhere two levels, 127 extension or 161 extension. It can go to 161 as well. Sometimes it makes the turn from 127, but sometimes it goes to 161. In this case, it looks like that it's going for 161. So why? Because it hit this 127, it started to drop, but see this high here, it bounced from there. That is a sign. If it's not going to go below this high, this point X, then it will go up again to 161, and then it makes the turn, right? So right now we are at in the level between 127 and 161, which is 141. It hit that, and we closed the week just like that. Now going from here to here, this chart, you see, I have this chart made here, not this one, right? I made it on the 6th, February 6th. So from there on, how many trades I have for yen pairs? You see, all yen pairs will also go up. That's what I said. From here to here, if this thing is going to go from here to here, all yen pair will go up, all long. So let's go take a look at how many long trades I had after this, right? From 6th February. So starting from the next day, from 7th February, this is pound yen, 65 pip. This is USD yen, 420 pip. You see, all long. Yeah, pound yen long trade, 420 pip on 8. Euro yen on 8, long 400 pip. And every trade is by the setup. Nothing is random. If you see this buy order, you have 4 conditions need to be there. 4 conditions, not 1, 2, 3, 4 conditions, right? This indicator needs to be all the way down. Yellow is above the black, blah, blah, blah. So all of these trades, you can see that same condition, they all have to meet 4 conditions. That is what my setup is. And right after that, my alarm beep. And if I have the EA robot, it opens the trade automatically. And when I'm up 25, 30 pip, SL move to break even plus. And that from there on, I have a free trade. That's how it is. So CAD yen on 80 pip, right from there, beautiful long setup. And then ninth from 7th, you see that this yellow, I mean, yes, I think it's a green or red, something, right? I'm colorblind, by the way. So, so whatever it is, this arrow, small arrow, that's EA opening the trade automatically. Okay, so 60 pip here. Pound yen long, the arrow is there. So this is also opened by the, you see, this is the live robot here, EA, expert advisor. 65 pip here on the 9th, and on the 9th, Aussie yen as well. Again, this was opened manually and for 50 pip. And I have another computer with only alarm on, so sometimes it don't open or it's not there. Then I open it manually. And then on the 13th, USD yen for 160 pip. This is after the news for red news for USD. Got it stronger, and then boom, it went up, right? So these are so many trades, right? Almost more than 10 trades from 7 to 16. And amount of pips you can count. Right. Now, SL hit, yeah, few SL hit, and SL is always 25 pip. My setup is like I open the trade after a couple of blue candles. Right there, the trade is open. SL is right there, always. If I would open a trade here, couple of blue candles, I'll open the trade here. SL will be behind this low. If I'll open the trade here, couple of blue candles, I'll open the trade here. SL is going to be behind this low. And it is always come out 25 pip on the 20-minute chart entry, and like 7-minute entry, the entry is here and SL is here. It is 15 pip, right? The smaller time frame. So the distance is smaller as well, even though it looks the same, but smaller, shorter candles. So this is how the system is, and this is how it is. And now where we stand, this is the yen index monthly chart. This is what we are now, and I know exactly what the heck is happening and what will happen probably, right? Probably. Maybe in Japan, the Bank of Japan was thinking last week, where they were watching in urgency. That's what they said, in urgency, the moves in FX. So there might be, might be, I'm not saying definitely, but might be the intervention will be coming soon. But let's see what happens. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, learn how to do it, all this mumbo jumbo, and harmonic patterns, Elliott blah, blah, blah. So go on my website here and sign up, and to find out what's happening. USD index, by the way, it is setting up to make the turn, and when USD index is going to drop, USD going to get weaker, and 4 of these pairs will go up and 3 pairs will go down. USD pair I'm talking about. All right, so you have 7 major USD pairs, right? So USD is on 4 pairs, USD is on the right hand side. So if USD gets weaker, they will go up and 3 will go down. So that's how it is. And I also have the Telegram here, for upcoming setups and updates, videos, and I post here constantly that this is what's happening, that's what's happening, the news time and all of that. Right. So this is it. And you can go here and then sign up for one-on-one if you need to learn this business from scratch and become a master. Or if you know exactly already that how what the Forex is and how to trade and platforms and all of that, you have 4 or 5 year experience already, then you can go and then sign up for monthly, just like yearly or whatever. You go and you serve my website, you will see. All right, so this is it for now. What else? Oh, okay, yeah. I'll be holding. Today is right now early morning of Sunday. To 4 a.m., 5 a.m. right now. Right? So 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. today, I'm going to have a webinar for my all the subscribers, right? My group, where I will show them new charts, new setups, and what to expect, in what pair are setting already to go up, which pairs are going down, supposed to be going down, and we will take it from there. All right. So if you want to be a part of the webinar, then go and quickly and sign up and then get going. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.